Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Alright class, so who can use the word appearance in a sentence? Me sir, anybody? Me sir, sir, I got that one here. The floor is yours. So sir, me did a drink me tea, and then my mother called me and said, go iron your school clothes. So me go iron my school clothes sir, and sir, when me go back and take out my tea, appearance.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Use the word. Sir, you can't change your shirt. Make you not change your brain. Use the word. Me sir. Use the word legacy in a sentence. Me sir. Who can do it? Me sir. Who can do it? Sir. One. So sir, me and my brother we did a play fight and he threw one stone after me. He give me a lick. For me legacy.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Who in the class can use the word Congo in a sentence? Me sir, that's easy. Go ahead. I was at home sleeping and my uncle called me and said, boy, come go shop.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Use the word window in a sentence. Me sir, look, if you're gonna say stupidness, do not bother. So sir, this one time I was betting and playing football and he scored one bicycle kick goal and he was Jeremy. I thought, oh, he scored a bicycle kick goal. And I say, you scored a bicycle kick goal. But you never win though.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Who in the class can use the word wheelchair in a sentence? Me sir, please, go ahead. Sir, last week my brother went to church. And when we reached the church, the usher said, we only have one seat left and he can only give it to one of us. And we looked at the usher and said, that's okay. Wheelchair.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Keep on doing this. So, who in the class can use the word Yahoo in a sentence? Me sir, me sir. Me sir, sir. Me, sir. Go ahead. So sir, I was at home on the computer and somebody knocked at the door. So when I go to the door, sir, I see a man and I open the door and the man say, can I speak to your mother? I'm shut up. Mommy, somebody come to you. And she say, where the person name? And I turn around and I look at the man and say, sir, Yahoo?
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Use the word receipt in a sentence. Sir, Carlton showed me a picture on his phone of a sexy girl, but me never see it good. So me tell him to make me receipt.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Use the word holy in a sentence. Sir, I took up my tea to drink it, but it did hot, so me couldn't holy.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good.
Use the word German in a sentence. Sir, Keisha said to Simone, Simone, me like Chuku. Me would have dealt with him if I never German.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Use the word foreign in a sentence. Me, sir, I live near the entrance of my community. But Peter, he live foreign.
I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
It is better to be thought of as a fool, than to open your mouth and remove all doubt. Now with that said, who can use the word feline in a sentence? Me, sir. Go ahead. Sir, one time my father came home and he just started beating me. I said, Daddy, where you beat me for? And he said, me ask you who break your lampshade and you say, I never you. And he beat me. And I said, me sorry, Daddy, me sorry for break your lampshade. He said, I know that me I beat you for. So I said, Daddy, where you beat me for? He said, me I beat you feline.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy KEVIN2CRAZY. Peace.